What do you think about the crypto, future of crypto and all that?
I'm still bullish on crypto. It's way down right now. I mean, I took a hit. Everybody took a hit on crypto. So crypto divides into two different categories, if you will. There's store value, which is Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin, I don't care what the maxi says, Bitcoin's worth what somebody will pay for it. You know what the maximum number of Bitcoins out there are going to be, right? 21 million. That's it, right? And that's a good thing, but you've got to have people who want to own it and hold it in order for the price to go up.
The year 2022 hasn't been great for the cryptocurrency market, as it has been through one of its worst bear markets, with Bitcoin trickling down from 50,000 to 17,000, and Ethereum losing 70% of its value. Will the crypto market crash recover, or will it go down even more? Hello everyone, and welcome to Crypto Savvy, your trusted news source for everything about cryptocurrency. Things are vastly changing in the world of crypto, so let's jump right into it.
I think it'll replace a lot of gold holders, people, who in the past have owned gold, and because no one owns physical gold. It's really just a digital transaction anyways, and Bitcoin's a better version of that than gold.
Yeah.
So I think Bitcoin's going to be okay, but where the price is going to go and when, it's just supply and demand.
What about Ethereum?
Ethereum, I like the best. Right?
Oh, me too.
But
why?
So Ethereum is driven by utility, right? A reason to use it. Bitcoin maxis will tell you that there's the Lightning Network. You can do transfers, money transfers around the world. And that's true. There's a site called cryptofees.info, right? And that tells you how much in transaction fees the network is actually generated. So you know how busy it is and how whether people are paying gas fees for transaction. And you can see on Bitcoin, it's been going down, not up.
Yeah.
And on Ethereum, it's the same way, but there's millions of dollars worth of transactions that take place there. The issue is what drove the price of Ethereum up is people needed to buy for gas fees for NFTs.
Yeah.
Right. And when everybody was just game over NFTs and everybody was going nuts over people were minting them, that used gas fees. People were buying them, that used gas fees. People were trading them, that used gas fees. And so that utility is what helped push Ethereum up.
Right.
Once, the number of NFT transactions started to fall, then there weren't any natural buyers.
As you can see, Mark Cuban implies that any cryptocurrency with worthwhile utility will eventually rise in demand, similar to Ethereum's utility of being used for gas fees when purchasing NFTs. But how do you identify utility?
So you need something that's going to be an application. It's like if you think about the early days of the iPhone and mobile computing, and we really didn't know anything about apps, right? And it was just like, okay, what apps am I possibly going to use? Then all of a sudden Instagram's there. And now all of a sudden, okay, everybody's going to download Instagram. Every kid's going to download Snapchat. Every kid's going to download TikTok now, right?
Yeah.
Every kid's going to download even the YouTube app, right? And so that is utility. That forces people to use your iPhone, use the App Store, whatever.
It's a great way of looking at it.
Yeah. With Ethereum, it's the same type of thing. There's no app where you say, okay, we all got to use it.
Yeah.
That's what it needs. And it's not going to be like, okay, here's Instagram for Ethereum or here's
how do you
Snapchat.
think that happens then?
Somebody just has a smart idea.
They created.
Right.
OpenSea
more
was
people
that
got
thing that was driving it up the whole time.
Right. And I'm an investor in OpenSea and it's been great.
Yeah.
Right. But, and then Play to Earn, I'm an investor in Axie Infinity, Mavis, and I think they messed it up, right? And they kind of got hurt because they got hacked. And so it's not fully fair. You've got to have a reason for people to buy the token, whether it's Ethereum or another one, other than just speculation. And if it's just for speculation, it's going to go up and down. It's probably going to disappear at some point because 95% of the blockchains are going to go.
Wow, 95%? With over 21,000 cryptocurrencies worldwide, that would mean that almost 20,000 are going to disappear at some point. That's a huge number. This means tokens that are capable of providing a certain utility that makes people's lives easier one way or another are the only cryptocurrencies that will survive. Will Ethereum, Bitcoin, and other mainstream cryptocurrencies be among the ones that disappear?
I think Ethereum and Bitcoin will survive. I just don't know what the price is going to be and when.
Right.
And I do think with Ethereum, with smart contracts, like the reason I got excited about Ethereum, I went in and I just said, okay, what's all this buzz about an NFT, right? And so I went and put in an NFT, and as I'm setting it up and getting ready to mint one little field said royalties, right? Because when you mint an NFT and then it gets resold, you get paid a royalty.
Yeah.
Right.
There's nothing else in media that allows you to do that.
I know what you're thinking. If the token price is down, do I sell, hold, or buy more. If you follow any market crashes, you'd know we are likely in the accumulation stage, where whales take advantage of low prices and preparing themselves for the upcoming markup trend. So it may be best to hold your cryptocurrencies and buy even more of what has potential and utility. Let's see what Mark has to say.
What I'm doing is looking to see, is there anything there that's gotten so cheap that it's time to really take a strong look at starting to buy some. And I've dabbled, when Ethereum gets down under let's say $1,800, I'll buy a little bit. When Bitcoin gets down under 28,000, I'll buy just a little bit, because it's really hard to predict how low it's going to go. So I haven't gone all in yet.
Cryptocurrency surely has a bright future, and it's just getting started. And it's a wrap. How do you feel about what Mark Cuban has to say about the future of cryptocurrency? Is Bitcoin and Ethereum here to stay? What is your investment strategy? Comment below and let's engage. Also, please leave a like and subscribe for more interesting crypto-related content. See you in the next video.